Now, greetings, people. I have a group here from Poland, Warsaw, Poland, in the house. Poland, say hello to the people, guys. How is the food?
Na zdrowie.
A zdrowia. A zdrowia. A zdrowia. And this is the big king right here.
I could die for that.
He loved the food. You're welcome, Marcin. A zdrowia. A zdrowia. I learned a new word today. All the way from Warsaw, Poland. I thank these guys. They called me up a week ago. I could not let them down. I had to make some. This lady is special. There's certain things she can't eat. I make her a special chicken. How was it? Good?
Very good.
Okay. All right, guys. Yeah, thank you for coming.
Healthy food.
Yes, that's right. How did you like the rice?
Rice fantastic.
The rice was called pumpkin vegetable rice. Yes,
Very
yes.
nice, very
I made specially for you.
And with the salsa, with the sauce.
Oh yeah.
Goes very well.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. The pleasure, guys.
Everything was delicious, really.
Everything was delicious. How was the food, the rum punch?
Great.
I love you. This is the crew from Poland, Warsaw. It's a pleasure to have them in the Dominican Republic. And MOSHA'S Reggae Lounge, guys.
Thank you, Mosha.
You're welcome, my brother. It's a pleasure. Anytime.
Thank you, Mosha.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, I won't embarrass them anymore, okay? That's it.
Thank you.